So how do you build confidence when trading Forex? Because I've been involved in many different coaching programs, and a lot of those programs just teach you a strategy. So if you've got a strategy, how do you know and how do you actually build confidence trading that strategy? Because it's very difficult if you haven't got the experience, you haven't got the knowledge, all you've got is a strategy that you've been told works, but how do you actually build confidence in that strategy so that you can trade it live? So really, step number one is obvious, okay? You need to learn that strategy. You need to find out all about that strategy, find out the exact plan that you need to trade that strategy so that you can start testing it. So the next thing you need to do is grab something like FX Replay. That's the software that I use to test all of my trading. Now I'm going to put a link to that in the description. Go and check that out. You need to back test multiple pairs over multiple years, okay? So it's not a quick process, but you really need to make sure that you're going to test everything about your strategy in many different trading scenarios. So you need to trade going back 2-3 years and probably trade 20-25 pairs. And you can actually start to drill down as to what's working, what's not, and really start to gain confidence in your strategy. And once you've done that, you're going to be able to create a plan, create a trade plan from that strategy. You'll be able to see what pairs are giving you the results, what pairs aren't, and really start to drill down and create a trade plan from that testing data effectively. Oh, and by the way, I've just created a brand new community. The link is in the description. If you want to jump into that, it's absolutely free. You can come and find out all the steps that you need to trade profitably all within that group. So click the link in the description and I will see you there. So once you've got your testing data and you know that everything is working, you then need to demo trade. In my opinion, you need to demo trade that strategy for a number of weeks or months until you're 100% confident that you know what you're doing, you know what's working, you know what's not working, you know what your win rate percentage is and everything else, okay? And then, and only then, you can look to trade live or trade a prop firm or whatever. Because so many people, they just throw money at a prop firm challenge, or they throw money into a live account and they don't know anything about risk management, or they don't know what numbers they're expecting from their trading. They don't know what their win rate is or anything like that. And they're just basically just throwing money away. So all this testing and everything needs to be done before you trade live. And then once you've got that demo data, you can look to take that data and actually start to trade live or a prop firm challenge or whatever it is that you want to do. So that's pretty much it for this video. As I say, I've just created a brand new community. If you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you over there where I go through all this in a lot more detail. I'm actually building it out. I'm going to be building all sorts of things in there. So head over there now while it's free. You can join, get involved in the community, and hit me up with any questions in there. And I look forward to talking with you real soon. Take care.